Today, the market got to work processing the shockingly strong victory for President-elect Trump, trying to figure out winners and losers on the fly. I think some of these verdicts were wrong, more on that later, but there was one theme in today's action that feels really right to me. With Trump's antitrust regulators, mergers and acquisitions are about to come back in a big way. It's a huge deal, as this was one of the longest M&A dry spells in modern history. Takeovers are a major reason why people like you and I own stock. I for my trust, you for your portfolio. And I've got to tell you, Biden's regulators practically tried to shut down the takeovers, and it really crimped how much you could make. You saw this all over the tape today. Capital One's acquisition of Discover Financial Services hasn't been formally challenged by the Biden administrator. But I got to tell you, many of us assumed it would face that kind of real scrutiny. That's kept the lid on Discover stock. Today, with the antitrust overhang now seemingly gone, Discover roared 20%, making it the largest winner in the S&P 500. And even the acquirer, Capital One, shot up 15%. In fact, Synchrony Financial, another credit card issuer focused on lower-end consumers, jumped almost 19% today, making it the second biggest gainer in the S&P 500. These three companies are something of a triumvirate in the lower-end segment of the credit card market. If the deal goes through, it becomes a two-man game, meaning much less competition, meaning bigger profits, meaning big gains for shareholders. But it's not just deals. Live Nation Entertainment, which owns live music venues, produces concert tours, also runs Ticketmaster, saw its stock rally 7%. The Justice Department, along with 30 states and district attorneys general, sued Live Nation and Ticketmaster this past spring for, in their words, quote, monopolization and other unlawful conduct that thwarts competition in markets across the live entertainment industry, end quote. According to a recent update, that civil case isn't expected to happen in 2026. But will the new Trump administration's Justice Department pursue it as strongly or even at all? Today, the market's wager is the answer is no.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.